How to add TikTok feed to your Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to add or create TikTok feed in your Shopify store. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the admin dashboard, you can navigate to the online store here. You can click on it. And then in the online store page, you can navigate to edit theme here. You can click it. After that, you will be redirected to your website editor. This is my website editor, as you can see. So let's say I want to add the TikTok feed here. So I just can click add section here in the template tab. You can click add section. Then you can search custom liquid, this one. Click on it. And then you can just name it maybe TikTok like this. And then you have to put the HTML code. So in order to get the code, you can go to offsite.com, and then you can just sign up for an account and you click explore widgets. Then you can, scroll down until you find TikTok feed. This one, you can click on it. As you can see, present TikTok clips, short videos, and viral contents to increase interaction and showcase your brand in a dynamic, trend forward, and understanding way. So you can just click create widget for free. And then as you can see, you can choose the styles or the templates here. It's up to you what the style you want. So maybe I want just like this, maybe just like this. So I think it's good. So you can just click continue, and then you can customize here. You can change the TikTok search, the profile, the hashtags, and the widget title and the layout. If you want to change the layout, maybe like this or like this, it's up to you. And then yeah, other stuff here you can customize it as you want. After that, you can just click add, and then this is the preview. So if you think this good, you can just click publish, and then you can select the plan. So I'm gonna choose the free one, and then you can just click copy the link. I mean the code, copy the code, and then back to the theme editor and paste the code here, and wait for a few seconds until it appears in your website, and it's loading. So it's like this. It's very good and perfect. So you can select another template if you want. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.